Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through the newest method to organize your Telegram chats on a PC using folders, a game changer for staying on top of your messages. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. With the app launched, take a look at the left-hand menu where your existing folders are displayed. To modify a folder, right-click on its name. A small menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's customization panel where you can tweak its contents. Next, locate the Add Chats button within the editing interface. Clicking this reveals a list of all your active conversations, groups, and channels. Scroll through and check the boxes next to the chats you'd like to include in this folder. You can add individual contacts, entire groups, or even channels. Telegram lets you mix and match freely. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This locks in your changes, but wait, there's one more step. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to finalize the update. Hit Save again, and voila! Your folder now reflects the newly added chats. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. Need a folder for work projects? Add only relevant team chats? Planning a trip? Pop in the group with your travel buddies. Telegram's desktop interface makes it seamless to curate these spaces without clutter. Remember, folders aren't just for hiding chats. They're about prioritizing what matters most. Keep your most used conversations a single click away and mute the rest if needed. Bonus tip: use Telegram's emoji icons to visually distinguish folders. Just hover over the folder's name while editing to pick a symbol. That's all there is to it. With this update, managing your Telegram experience on a PC is smoother than ever. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who needs a clutter-free messaging life. Until next time, keep your chats organized and your productivity high. See you in the next video.